Right, good afternoon everybody. We're going to do the one string blues and we're going to use this as our backing band. Jam Tracks, guitar jam tracks, fantastic app. We're going to pick the key of E major. We're going to learn when to get on the train and the time is now. So it's just 0 and 5, then we're going to go up to 7, 5, 0, 7, 0. And I want you to learn this off by heart without even having to think. Zero, 5, 0, 5, 0, 7, 5, 0. So 0 is E, 5 is A, E, A, E. Then we're going to go up to B.